The one in the picture is looking a lot more herby, so I might run out to the garden and see if we have any herbs.
You are my sunshine. In the song I sing, you're the melody, you're my
Supposed to be aesthetic. Okay guys, so it's not exactly looking the most aesthetically pleasing. It is looking a little bit too wet. I think I put too much of the cannellini warm liquid from when it was cooking into the mix. So it's looking a bit more like cold cannellini soup, but it's really tasty. So it's gonna taste just fine. I didn't even attempt to do the pita breads and this one here because I can only do one thing at a time. We've got a little bit of chili oil here. We just drizzle. Oh, gorgeous. You look at that. Far out. You guys are probably like, that does not look good. It looks amazing in my eye.
heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road.
That's a 10 out of 10 for me. So good. Homemade bread, tahini dip, cannellini beans.
And a chance